If I were to start from scratch as a backend developer and learn AI, I would do something very simple. We start with a hello program, but this time we're going to use an LLM to do that for us. So I use Claude. I'm in the terminal. Backend developers like terminals. So I'm in an empty directory. Type Claude. I am going to then just ask it to create an application for me, a hello program. Write a hello program in Go. I'm choosing Go. You could choose any language you want. Hello world. I want it to write it. Just write it for me. That's the beauty of using LLMs. I don't need to write any code. So let's take a look at what we have here. So this is the same directory, ls, go run me.go. It's working. All right. Let's put this in Git. All right. Add me.go. So then I can add that file to the repository. So you go back here. What would be great is if I turn this into a CLI. Let's say I want this to grow. I could use this to turn this into a CLI. It's probably already a CLI, but let's just start using Cobra. Let's see what it does. All right. It starts to import the Cobra library, create the root command, hello, simple, and even have the shorts, and execute. It's going to ask you whether to proceed and to not. You just keep going. I want it to keep going. So what files do we have now? Create a make file. I like building make files because I don't want to remember a bunch of command lines. So now if I type make, it gives me a way to know what I can do here. Make build makes the project. It runs go build, outputs it to hello, and then make run runs it. Very good. I probably want a git ignore. Create a .git ignore file for this project. I'm looking for here is a .ignore file that has the common ignored files and directories for a Go project. Ignore, right? It removes I'm going to ignore the binary here. ID and swap DS store because I'm in the Mac. Add that. Add the make file. Go.mod. And that was it. So what we can do instead of me manually committing this, I can just ask Claude to commit it for me. Let's look at the git log. This is what I committed. This is my commit message, and this is what Claude gives me, which is so much more handy, very quick. Usually I want to create this as a REST endpoint, convert this into a service, expose an endpoint, get hello, should open port 8080. Let's say we could create make target to call this endpoint. So let's see what it's doing. Imported the net/http package. Good. It uses Gin. It probably used Gin because that's the more popular web framework. The get endpoint for the hello runs it on port 8080, and this is what's in the make file. So now I have a run command that can run this as a service, and then a call command to call the service. So make run starts this service. It's exposing port 8080 like we wanted to. Let's make a call. Make call, and yeah, so it calls hello world. Now what else can we do? Well, let's commit the changes first here. Commit changes. Pretty good commit messages. Replace Cobra CLI with Gin, right? We made a replacement. Next, why don't we Dockerize it? Dockerize this service. Add make targets to start and stop the Docker container. So you can see now we have a Docker file here, and we're making the make targets there. So make Docker builds the. So if I get an error like this, all I need to do is copy and paste, put it in Claude, and let's see what it does. Alright, so we needed to increase to 1, upgrade to 1.2 or the latest. So let's try it again. This is what's our menu. Let's build this. Again, without writing any code, just plain English. We're building a hello program, a service. Now we're Dockerizing the service, which used to take an hour or so, now it's taking minutes. Start that container, Docker PS. So now we want to call that service. And what do we have? Make call. And there we have it. So let's see what we have here. With a Docker file, git add Docker file, can make changes. And that's all we needed to do. So in a few minutes, we were able to create a hello program, replace that as a service, add an endpoint, create a make file so that we have an easy way to call and run things. We created a Docker file so that the service now runs as a container. That's how I would start using AI as a backend developer.